Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So this is my first video and my account is mainly going to be based on makeup because it's something that I'm passionate about and I really enjoy doing it. So why not make a channel on something that I'm passionate about and that I want to share with you guys. So I don't have like the proper equipment at the moment, but I am trying my best, and so I am going to show you guys on how I created today's look, which is this. So, oh, my bangs just went all crazy. Anyway, so let's get started. I usually start off with priming my face, and I already did, but my camera didn't record anything I did in the past 20 minutes, so I'm really mad. So my face is already primed, and then after that I usually start off with my eyebrows. So I already did one brow. For my brows, the Anastasia Dip Brow, which I think works really well. So let's see if I can get my other brow, like film me doing whatever. Anyway, let's just continue because I'm mad. As I was explaining in the other video, which you're not going to see because I didn't record, I usually, I use I use an eyeliner brush, I think, because like I like my eyebrows to be super precise and have like a sharp tail and look like really good, so I use an eyeliner brush so it's super angled and sharp. And then I start off by doing the bottom, just outlining it, and I put way too much on my brush. I outline the bottom. I'm gonna fix that. And then I outline the top. And I kind of go down to like in the brow, and then I do my arch afterwards and then go into the tail more. Now for some reason this eyebrow is much easier to do than this one, and I don't know why. For me whoa, that was close. For me personally. So I might be struggling a little bit. Now because I have such dark eyebrows, doing the front and trying to make it look natural is really hard because you don't just want like black and then light, so like I kind of have to fill in like the whole thing, and yeah, it's really hard to make it look natural. We doing good. Ah, look at them, look at them, look at them. One tail's longer than the other. Anyway, so now that my eyebrows are done, I conceal them underneath. So I use this MAC concealer. And where's my brush? I use this brush actually. This is an eyebrow brush, but I don't use it because it's not fine enough for me. Like, I need it to be super thin, you know, and then I kind of just like dot or outline underneath like so, because I don't like going too close to my brow, because I find that when I get like too close and then like I'll go under and then I'll screw it up and then I'll make my eyebrow look stupid, because I'm stupid that way and I do that. And then I tend to oh, if you didn't notice, I pose a lot in the mirror when I'm doing my makeup.
Gassed up, shorty, said I need my 40, pull up to the party,
I swear to God, if I wipe off my eyebrow, I will cry. So now it looks more evened out, you know? I wanted to try this thing. I haven't tried it before. So let's hope it works out. I'm gonna try it before I do anything else to my face, because I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So I usually use felt tip liner, but this is gonna be like a I don't even know what it's gonna be. It's not gonna be good. That's what it's gonna be. Oh, it doesn't look that bad from far away. Close up, it looks really ugly. Oh, as you can tell, when I do a makeup, it takes me like 50 gajillion hours, because I constantly just like stop and I'll go on my phone for a bit, or like I'll be like, oh, I want to try something, and it doesn't work out, and then I completely take off my makeup and then start over because I get frustrated. It's just, I have ADD, so like my mind's constantly like do fun.
You in the mob, soon as you rock the chain.
My camera died, so I thought I would move on to the other eye. So I did both eyes, and this is what it looks like, if you can see what it looks like. Not the best, but now we're going to kind of take some black eyeshadow from this Too Faced palette. It's called No Peeking. Don't. I have this NYX palette, the Perfect Filter palette. I might just experiment with a few colors to blend in with the black to make it lighter. So let's see how this looks. So, you know what? Let's do some waterline liner.
Hey babe, it's my new shit. I'm the black bitch rich with the roof missing. If it don't make dollars, don't make sense. See, wake up like I gotta get it.
I'm just gonna do my bottom lashes. Why not? That just got all over my mirror. eye look is done. I for sure thought that was going in my mouth.
So good, make his wife pick a phone up.
I hope I didn't get that wrong.
Like Red Flintstone when you pick a stone up.
That was close. Now that I put on my foundation and a little bit of my yeah, we are gonna move on to my Hoola quick quickie contour stick by Benefit Cosmetics. This works really well, I find, because it like blends into the skin. Like when you're blending it with a brush, it blends in beautifully. And I use this and I blend it into my face because anybody want to see that. Back to my concealer, and it's gonna go like so. Boop. We gonna put a little line design on my face, make it look nice, and then we're gonna put a cross on my chin because I am a holy child of God. Amen. And then now we are going to blend it. Kablamo, and this is not nice looking at all. I gotta fix that. Okay, next. We're gonna move on to my NYX finishing powder, but I kind of dropped it and it broke into like 5 gajillion pieces, which is not fun at all. So it's a pain in the ass to use, but you know, it's okay. And then we go cake under my eyes. Actually, this headband I'm wearing, my sister made it, and she has a DIY page, and she does a whole bunch of cute Disney stuff on that page, so I will tag her in my description so you guys can give her a follow as well, because those are the cutest little things ever, and she posts like the cutest stuff. I love it. Okay, now we have caked my beautiful face. It's nice and baked. Okay, and we are almost done. Don't worry, we're getting there. Now, oh, highlight. You can't forget about the highlight. Highlight is like my favorite thing ever. If highlight didn't exist, I don't know. So I usually use this L'Oreal Lumi Pro Glow Illuminator, but when I got this Too Faced palette, they have a highlighter dashing through the glow on the bottom, and I mixed them together, and together they just look absolutely amazing, and I love it. So I can't open it. My camera died for the second time. So while I let it charge for a bit, I thought I would just bring out my bags, because why not? Because I needed to waste some time. So now we're gonna move on with the Boomin' highlight. Beautifulness. Oh, I gotta get the other highlight off. I'm so scared of those kids. Just belt it out, whatever. Okay, good. Lastly, we're gonna go on to the lips. I don't know if this lip color is gonna look good with the color that's on my eyes, but you know what? I don't care. I'm gonna use this NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. I use this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color Soft Spoken. Top it off, I'm gonna use this NYX Lingerie Baby Doll color, and I'm just gonna dab it in the middle. Then I'm going to use a brush and then blend it in with the rest. And I don't know what I was doing there, because I certainly wasn't closing it. And you don't want to forget to set your face when you use this NYX Finish Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There will be a lot more videos coming soon, and I'll have more equipment and proper equipment so it'll look better in the future. And I'm currently waiting for more brushes and stuff to come in, so when they come in I'll probably be making a video as well. So like and subscribe and follow my Instagram, and